there, right here on this video, ipapakita ko kung paano i-link yung RCBC credit cards nyo on their mobile app. So stay tuned.
Open the RCBC app, log in, and you'll see the dashboard. Punta kayo dito sa credit card, add a credit card account, read and agree to the terms and conditions, then enter your card number. You can see the card number on your credit card either sa likod or sa harap. Depende sa card. Click continue. Enter your CVV. Makikita niyo naman ito dito sa likod. Click continue. Then enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile number. Click continue and ayan. You'll receive an email confirming your bank card, credit card, RCBC mobile banking account enrollment. Log in again to the RCBC app. Go to credit card. And ayan, makikita nyo na yung credit card that you just enrolled. Once you've enrolled the credit card, here you can pay your bills, view your statements, and do other credit card transactions. By the way, under security, you can also lock your credit card just in case meron kayong suspicious or unauthorized transactions.
And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you guys. Bye!